Life moves between yin and yang, between moments of activity and moments of rest, between flow and stillness. In ancient wisdom, true health means harmony, the body rooted like a tree, the spirit flowing like water, each season offering its own rhythm of renewal. At Reishi, we believe wellness is more than fixing what feels wrong. It's about nourishing your roots, aligning with nature's cycles, and cultivating balance so body and mind can flourish through every season of life. Balance within, flow with nature, flourish in harmony.